Well, let's see these little guys here.
Oh,
Not that heavy.
girl.
You are so cute.
Bailey.
Okay.
Is that your baby? No,
Bailey.
he's fine
Now,
with
just
them.
want me to put them down?
Sure.
Here. There you go. So we're bringing them off.
Oh, they're gonna have fun. What do you call a lounger covered with 1, 2, 3, 4? I'm losing track. How many we got here? 11 total? She's being such a good mommy. Does she have enough ports to accommodate all these creatures?
There's 11 puppies and she has 10.
Okay, so somebody's not getting a deal. Is there anything back here? And are they strictly Labradoodles or?
These are English golden doodles because Bailey, Dad, over here is an English golden cream retriever, which is different than the American. The American is red and yellow or gold, and English cream are solely the light colored white, and they come from Russia. So his dad was from imported Russian bloodlines.
So they're pretty high-class dogs.
Pretty high class, 5 generations of hip, eyes, heart, elbow certifications on both of his parents' side.
Oh, bite Daddy's tail. That'll do it. Oh, all done? Yep, he's done. Okay. Go get yourself a beer and go watch TV.
Yeah, right.
Hey, who's biting my socks here? So how old are the puppies right now
these
here on?
puppies are a little over 6 weeks old.
Yeah.
I have 9 girls and 2 boys. One of the girls is spoken for. Some have smooth coats, some have wavy coats. One of the dark black ones, a female, has a curly coat like a poodle. And they're all healthy, beautiful, as you can see, very calm-natured. Everybody loves golden doodles because of that, their temperament, their disposition. They're the best family dog, and they don't bark much. And about the poodle is they don't shed. So for people that have allergies or children with allergies, they're hypoallergenic.
Well, this is just insane. I've never been around this many puppies all at once. Yeah, you like me, don't you? Oh, you all love me. Oh, yes, you do. There's 3 of you that love me. So this little girl is already spoken for, huh?
Yes, she is.
Aww.
She's going to be going to West Palm Beach and being a therapy dog to people with PTSD, veterans
Oh, that's
that are
good.
suffering from PTSD.
And you're gonna be a good companion, eh? Yes, you good doggies. You all want to lick. Okay, whoa. Oh, you slobbered the lens. All right, I gotta fix the lens now because it's dirty. Two Socks is digging himself a nice little hole, or her hole. There could be a bone at the bottom of that. Keep going. Oh, you got yourself a dirty little nose, don't you? Yeah, there's a dirty little nose. So I thought you were Two Socks, but you're not. Two Socks is someplace else. You don't have a name. Yeah? You want down that bad? So what's the story with you? You're the one with the curly hair, aren't you? You're just too cute. So you're more the Doodle than the Lab, huh?
Oh, I got it.
We got a new toy here. It's called a broom. But of course, it's fair game for these guys, right? Go bite the broom, okay? Don't lick the camera. Go bite the broom. There goes Noodles. Ooh, little tussle's breaking out here. You guys are going to your room if you don't behave. You like my sunglasses, don't you? You like human chin. My friends who have germ issues are gonna think I'm nuts here. And I know who I'm talking about too. Who's got the ball? Get that ball. Who's keeping it? This is better than the puppy ball.
That's cute.
Daddy with his boys and girls. Yeah, there, it's almost undone. Now I can take my shoes off. I think I tired them out. Are you gonna miss them when they go?
Yes. I just said that. I said it gets harder every day, so you better call fast. Every day gets harder to let them go, yes. All I ask is for visitation rights, just every now and then.
Okay, kids. I'll see you later. Oh, you're gonna miss me, aren't you? Yeah. Bye-bye.